What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses Pallet Gardening Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and we are going to do a 2-week checkup on the Aeroponics system, okay? What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 So it's been 2 weeks since I have put everything in the system to do what it does, which is to grow and all that good stuff. Oh wait, we have a guest today. Hey brother, how you doing? You doing good? Good to see you, man. Oh, you have a lollipop? Okay. All right, brother. Enjoy. All right, so here we are, guys. You know, that was a fun interruption. Here we are. This is where it is. This is how it has been and where it has been since I set it up. And so we have our tomato. We have lettuce, which doesn't look the best. And we have some arugula, which doesn't look any different. We have a lemon tree. Here we have lemon right here as well, which doesn't look the best. And so I'm talking right now solely because it's still spraying. Okay, I want to wait until the cycle is off, which gives me 15 minutes to look at everything and then you know, go from there and decide whether or not I have enough roots to go ahead and plant any of these here plants, right? So, all right, great people. So it's finally off. I stepped away. I don't know how long it's been off, but hey, let me just also show you all how everything is within the bucket, because I know people have said, you know, with the white bucket you can get algae growing and things like that. Oh, I don't have algae, but I do have roots, y'all. Look at here, look at here. Let me further take it up. Wow, look at that. So we have the tomatoes have some beautiful roots, and as you can see, the roots are nice and white. This arugula, there's some roots forming there, not too many. The lemon tree, none at all right now. The tomatoes sprouted very well. This lemon tree as well, nothing. So no roots so far with the lemon tree. This is the arugula, some roots. That one is the lemon. The tomato is popping, as well as the lettuce. The lettuce is doing well too, but these tomatoes, oh my. But looking in the water, it does look like I can add some more, but I really won't. I'll probably add some later. I want to get some rainwater, so you know, check that out. So with that being said, all right, so knowing that I have tomatoes that are doing fabtabulous, I have 2 tomato plants. One I will plant using a new method, which I'll do a video this weekend doing that, and then the other one I'll give away because a friend of mine who gave me the cutting from his tomato tree, hey, why not give back, okay? And then we're able just to reciprocate. So make sure you tune back in to see me plant it. I'm using a new planting method and a new planting area to plant this here tomato tree. And then make sure you subscribe so you can check the progress, okay? So the idea with putting things in the aeroponics system is that as soon as the roots grow and the plant grows, it is the same age. Therefore, at the maturity to sprout fruits, in this case tomato, as the mother plant, which the mother plant is doing fabtabulous, okay? It grew out of midst of nothing. But nonetheless, all that being said, here we are, here it is. 2 weeks, I have 2 plants, well really 3 that have taken root. 2 fabtabulous tomatoes did great in 2 weeks, as y'all saw, and then the other ones, the lettuce, did okay. But I will say this, and then I'm gonna get out your way, is that the idea and the reason why the roots are white as they are is because it's just water feeding the roots. There are no nutrients or anything feeding the roots. If there were some nutrients, be it nitrogen, potassium, or you know, phosphorus, then it would be a more orangey type look to it, right? There will be some color to it, blondish or anything like that. But anyway, it's nice and white because it's strictly water, which is why in this case it's just a cloning system, is not a growing system. So what I would do is take what has grown as far as the roots, plant it, new system. So make sure you tune back in. All right, love you, people. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you on the way to 100K subscribers by the end of 2021. And yeah, make sure you click the bell notification because I have so many things coming our way. Okay, love you all. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it in a new space.